आज आम्ही सगळे lawyers from Goa we have gathered here to condemn the assault that took place on Advocate Ankur Kumar. So what had happened is Advocate Ankur Kumar he had gone to him for to enforce the demolition order by High Court and Supreme Court. So when he went there, around 10 people, out of which 3 have been identified as having assaulted him, started beating him up with iron rods and fists and bricks, due to which he sustained injuries to his eye socket. He started bleeding through his nose. And recently his video has also come out, in which we can see his state, how badly he is beaten up. So unfortunately we can see that this is the state of affairs currently in Goa. Nobody is safe. Even advocates who are advocates are officers of the court. They are going to the site to see that there is proper implementation of the demolition order. They are not there for any other cause. We are saying that advocates are getting beaten up. So my question through media to the people of Goa is, how long should we tolerate this? Every time a lawyer goes to such places, he is living under a fear that he will get beaten up. If this happens, then how is he going to fearlessly represent his client in courts? See, a lawyer's life is not easy. Every day we have to deal with conflicts. There is no single day when a lawyer is not in conflict, whether it is trial court, session court, appellate court or revenue court. Everywhere we are representing our client, everywhere we are in a dispute. And if these people, if we are not protected under any particular law, then it will be very difficult for the officers of the court to represent our clients in court. And this will lead to miscarriage of justice and delay in justice. And ultimately, you all know, justice delayed is justice denied. So what I want to say is, these are not any isolated incidents. Recently, yesterday, Ankur was attacked. Before that, Advocate Sadanand Vaingankar was attacked. And before that, Gajanan Sawant was attacked. So these are systematic attacks done by some people to cause fear in the minds of lawyers. That if I don't care whatever the court order is, I don't care what the justice delivery system does, if you don't act according to my whims and fancies, you will meet my fists and iron rods, and I will cause injury to you. So if this continues, how will lawyers represent their clients effectively in the court of law? And so many of the lawyers, they file PILs in high courts and supreme courts. How will these PILs reach their proper conclusion if a lawyer is constantly put under the fear that they will get beaten up? So if we see right now, there are in the state of Rajasthan, Telangana and Karnataka, we have something called as Advocates Protection Act. So even in Goa, we are seeing that such incidents of advocates getting assaulted are on the rise. So we demand that even in Goa, there should be an Advocates Protection Act. And it is quite fortunate that on the last assembly session in the month of March, Goa government introduced the Goa Advocates Protection Act. And of course it is there is a whole process, and it has to go through a process. It is still pending before the Legislative Assembly. So I request Goa government, I request the Chief Minister, I request the Law Minister that this bill should become an act and it should be enforced as soon as possible. So now I call upon Advocate Ansari to address the gathering.
सेंटर है क्या?
So this incident happened last yesterday. So we meet DIG sir. So he gave us insurance that out of 10 people, 1 people was arrested, and they will arrest all the culprits who are involved in this case very soon. And it is the assurance also for law and order. It will be maintained in the Goa state, but this is very shameful to attack on the advocates. Okay. So I want to say our Chief ministers and law minister to maintain the law and order in Goa. Because every time, every day, incidents coming up and it's come to know that so-and-so advocates are beaten up, so-and-so was assaulted. This is not good. Actually, yesterday the advocate who went there, he was under the order of Supreme Court, with the order of High Court. And Goa Coastal Management Zone officers also are escorting there, but this was not there. There is something gap inform the police or something maybe, but this is not good to assault the advocates. So advocate is the officer of the court. If you assault to advocates and beat up the advocates, how he will reproduce to the Goan people? This is not good actually.
Yes.
Now I call upon Advocate Vishal Gajanan Naik.
तो हो जो इन्सिडंट जाला तो आमी स्ट्रॉंगली कंडेम करता तो एक अंकूर एक एडवोकेट आनी तो गेल्लो त्या जाग्यार एक कोर्टाची ऑर्डर घेवन सुप्रीम कोर्टाची ऑर्डर घेवन गेल्लो आनी तरी पूण तेजेर एक वादांनी अटॅक केलो हें अशें जावपाक जायना कित्याक एडवोकेट एक कोर्टाचो ऑफिसर म्हणटात एडवोकेटाक आनी कोर्टाचो ऑफिसर आसतना थंय वचोन तेका जेन्ना थंय तो गेलो ते कोर्टाची ऑर्डर घेवन रिप्रेझेंट करपाक तेन्ना तेजेर अटॅक जालो हो जावपाक जायना आनी हितून जे आमचे सरकार आहा तितून तेणी लक्ष घालून अशें फुडें अशें एडवोकेटाचेर अटॅक जावपाक जायना म्हणून जे एडवोकेट प्रोटेक्शन बील आहा तेजेर जाता तितले बेगीन तेजेर एक्शन घेवन ते पास करून घेवपाक जाय इतलेंच म्हाजें सांगपाचें
Advocate Zaid Sheikh.
I just wanted to say that an attack on an advocate is an attack on constitution. Advocate Ankur Kumar was assaulted yesterday. Now, we cannot show a draft piece of legislation to the gundas who are assaulting us. We want that advocate protection bill to be passed so that it is enforceable. So, I kindly request the government to kindly enact that piece of legislation as soon as possible so that we as advocates should not face fear. And the thing that we feel that if we go to implement an order or something, we should not be in the fear of assault or let's say of attack. So I request the Goa government and the law minister, chief minister to kindly enact this act as soon as possible. Thank you.
या सगळ्या इन्सिडेंटान तुम्ही कोणाक ब्लेम करता
See, this is a law and order situation. It looks like the criminals have no fear of law in their minds. That is why they are going against a Supreme Court and High Court order. So you imagine they have zero regards for the apex court. So this is the situation right now. So I think the law and order situation in Goa is a very critical stage right now. I think
Are advocates safe in Goa?
Sorry?
Are advocates safe in Goa?
Looking at the current scenario and what has happened in the last year, I don't think advocates are very safe in Goa.
Thank you.
Could you just elaborate what was the exact incident of the trial?
See, as per the media records of what we have received, we don't have the copy of FIR. FIR has been registered 10 people.
No, matter किती तो किती खातीर गेल्लो तो
Ankur Kumar, he had an order from the Supreme Court of India, High Court, for demolition of that property
whose property
in Murji.
Whose
Eden
property?
Garden.
The owner from Goa or the outsider?
Goa. So when we went for the demolition order of the property to see that the demolition is properly carried out, this incident took place. Some people broke into his car, they beat him up with rods, stones and bricks. He was badly injured. He has been fractured in the eye socket, been bleeding through the nose. There are various injuries on his body.
When the incident took place, that time any police authority was there with him?
See, in the morning,
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.
माँ जी, आपको ना सरप्राइज देना था. इन्होंने अपना ट्रांसफर यहाँ करवा दिया है
हाँ माँ.
और अब जाके मुझे भी एहसास हुआ कि जिंदगी की खुशी अपने घर में है. और माँ जी, जिस किचन में पंचामृता हो उस घर में खुशियों के अमृत की बारिश तो हमेशा होती रहती है.
दादी, आज मैंने सुबह गार्डन का सारा काम पूरा कर दिया.
पंचामृता, भारत की पहचान, घर घर में पंचामृता.